That damn thing. So much for that intro. How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Today we're at my dad's excavator. This is I think a 2006, 2007 KX161 Kubota, and he built that sucker out there, that wood splitter. I don't actually know what I'm doing running it. This is his machine, it's his job. He's out there running the saw, setting up logs for me. Hell of a good guy. Gives me the cakewalk job. But these, we're cutting up an oak tree for firewood for our buddy here, Dave Wolf. He's another old, pretty cool guy. But this makes your life so much easier. You're not breaking your back trying to move these big rounds around, because shoot, even the little ones are heavy. But he built this wood splitter not long after he bought this machine. I think main reason why he wanted a Mini X was to do stuff like this. He's got a bunch of little attachments for this rig. This is a 12,000 pound excavator. Nothing too intense, but I'm gonna roll that over for him so he can cut it. But this is a pretty nice little setup. It's all hooked up on hydraulic for the thumb. Back and forth motion's kind of slow, but it's a big cylinder so you can get some power out there for the lack of hydraulic power a little X has. But for the most part, this machine, it gets it done. Definitely saves my back, that's for sure. Saves his back, and that's the whole name of the game, is make it easier on you. Work smarter, not harder. Something like that. But I gotta go out there and actually move some of this by hand. Hang on. Alright, let's do some slightly bigger rounds now. See that? Look at that, 3 pieces of firewood right off the top. Another 7 pieces of firewood. Half that rig split up into firewood pieces. Haven't got up the machine. We'll go ahead and turn this in a little bit so we can kind of see what we're doing. bust these up into another section, make it easier. Excavator, well, for one, the reach ain't good, and then it just doesn't have any room to, it's not flexible, it can't really get inside of itself very well. I can't bring the boom super close. So like over here, I can't bring it in close enough away from the truck. I had to move. Like that, bust it up. We got two pieces that I can split once in the down there with the other rig. Take it out. Oh, I'm just gonna stay. Pieces 18 inches, I can only open up 20 inches, so it gets a little tight sometimes. You gotta get it completely square to the splitter. Or if like something like that happens, I just have to get lucky or put a little bit of weight into it and it'll pop her through, but like that it's gonna just split into firewood. But I don't have to pick that big piece up and run it through the other splitter. Go through and it's already split up a bunch of firewood for me, so no complaints. Anyway, like I was saying, there's just no money in the firewood business, even on this kind of a scale. Like this is pretty quick, making quick work out of some big chunks, but at the end of the day, this thing doing dirt work pays just as good. But this guy's cool that we're working for. My dad's been, that guy's been a long time client of my dad, and he's somewhat of a friend to him now, so. It's September 28th, September 29th. Back September 11th, 2001, my dad was here logging this property. So, they've been buddies since then. Hope you guys can see that down there. Just how this wood split nice and easy though, so that makes a big difference. But go through, bust that one up, bust it into four. I take the two little ones, throw them in a little pile over here. Now that I'm gonna have at least one piece of firewood straight out of that, ready to throw in the truck and be hauled over to the wood shed. But I just go over here, spin this one straight. Like I was saying though, firewood is where my dad started. Way back in the day, he had himself an F-250, 1976 F-250. Went out, was cutting firewood. Built up a couple clientele, and I guess somewhere along the line somebody saw him cutting down some trees for this firewood. And they said, hey, why don't you come fell trees for me? Get to fell trees full time. So he felled trees, felled timber for years and years and years. Went through a couple different outfits. Until about 2000, he bought his own. He bought that Kubota right there, L3600. Bought that thing. Then he bought that Dodge, and then he started doing some work for himself. And then in about 06, he got a mulcher. Then he got this thing, and that is pretty much all it started from, was cutting firewood. Went to logging, and then it is what it is today, which is logging, forestry mulching, and splitting firewood, sawmill, jack of all trades. He's got it all, but it all started with the firewood. But cool thing is, he still likes firewood, but there's not much money in doing firewood. Doing this right here, we're getting paid decent, but it's nothing compared to like what we get for running a mulcher or stuff like that. But this is the efficiency factor he's got on all his firewood aspects, whether it be at the yard or out here. But this thing right here is saving an absolute ton of time, saving my back, saving his back. And if it's too big on my, we hung one up, then I'll just split it again. Simple as that. I'm in here running 2 joysticks. My back's not hurting at all. And then if we go home with some logs from a job for firewood, he'll cut them in 8-foot lengths, 8 inches and smaller, and it'll go right through the firewood processor. Then you just got to stack it and you know, store it for winter, and people come and show up to buy it. It's just cool how efficient everything's become. Everything that he's accomplished here. Like that, he built that wood splitter too. He built the one that's on the end of this excavator, and he built that one there. Both these are his design, built from scratch. We'll go over here and get these last 2 and the stump. I don't know how I'm going to get the stump off there. It's bigger than me. Bigger than the excavator anyway. Here's a quick little walk around of this thing before I take it off and switch back to the grapple. There's a decent sized cylinder up there. I mean, it's taller than me. Yep. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet.